Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reviewing the Sainsbury scales. Looks quite cute. I'm going to say now, I had to replace my Salter version. It broke. This is the replacement. So I got my £10 back from Sainsbury's and I replaced it with a £6 scales. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Alright guys, this is the Sainsbury's Home scales. It's a 5 kilogram scales in black. It's got this tempered glass finish, and on it you've got units. You fire them up and you've got units across here. What I like about this one, it's nice. It's a very big LED there. You can see very, very well. It's not the cheap, rubbishy ones. Mind you, saying this cost £6 from Sainsbury's. I will say underneath, once again, I've had a previous one similar to this, but a Salter, and these under here do come off, and they're little rubbers. They don't. If you get them out, and you lose one, it basically buggers the scale up completely. So be careful with these when you use it and make sure these are still in there. The scales does come with a battery. So what makes it good, those batteries cost nearly £3 on their own. So less having to say that this unit cost £3 and £3 for the battery. So that ain't bad. And I'm going to say something now. I think this is basically a Salter. But it's actually been made by Salter for Sainsbury's, because everything about this product looks like it's their type of product. It does look well built, there's no doubt about it. It has got a lot of quality in it. For some at £6, I've got to say that's very good value. We'll see how long it lasts. The last one I bought from Sainsbury's, which was a Salter, I've got a review on there at the moment, and I can honestly say after 6 months it packed up and I had my money back, and I know it was only £10. Well, you know, let's be fair, £10, it's not a bad price. Now there we go, looking at that is a really good product, and even if that only lasts 6 months, you can take it back, keep your receipt, and you can have your money back. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. We'll let you know how I get on in a future video, whether I still got this one or I've moved on to another new scales. Please subscribe and please share, and do check out my playlist below. Please check out my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. This is where I've actually put on recipes within the photos, and also anything I get up to in the bakery is actually loaded onto that all the time. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!